Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about AI versus human or human versus AI. Okay, so let's start. Imagine it's the year of 2035. You woke up but something feels different. Your phone is already awake. Your house is already thinking and your job might not even need you anymore. So this is not a movie, this could be your future. So today let's live one full day in 2035 and see, is AI helping us or slowly replacing us? Okay. So you woke up at 7 a.m. but you didn't set an alarm. Your assistant, I mean AI assistant, studied your sleep. Okay, your AI assistant studied your sleep and woke up you at the perfect time. Your coffee is ready. Why? Because your machine is already know you feel tired today. Sound nice, right? But wait. So you check your phone. Okay, your job app send a message. Today's task completed by the AI. No work needed. At first, you feel happy, no work, no stress. But then a thought hits you, if AI is doing my job, why do they need me? Okay, so for travel, and so you step outside, no drivers, no traffic noise. All cars are automatic, perfect driving, no accident. Everything is smooth. You reach a store, no cashier, no staff. You pick item and walk out. Payment done automatically, fast and easy, but also strange. No human interaction. No hello, no thank you, just machine. So I'm going to talk about work life. So let's talk about job. In 2035, AI write the reports. AI design the graphic. AI codes app. AI answer customers. So what do human do? Some people upgrade themselves, they learn AI, they use it, they build business faster than ever. But other, they bait, they ignore changes, and slowly they get replaced. Not by AI alone, but by the people who learn AI. Okay, so human versus AI. Now here is something important. AI is smart, very smart guys, but it has limits. AI cannot feel emotions. AI cannot understand real pain. AI cannot dream new ideas like human. AI copies pattern, human create meaning. For example, AI can write the story, but a human write from the experience, from the heartbreak, from the failure, from the real life. Okay, so that's different, but still very powerful. Like if you have evening thought, now it's night. You sit alone. Everything is easy. Life is comfortable. But something feel missing. Struggle is gone. Effort is gone. Even purpose feel less. You ask yourself, am I living or just existing with machines? This is the real danger. Not AI taking over the world, but human losing their purpose. So the truth is, AI versus human. Who win? Wrong question. The real answer is simple. AI will not destroy human, but it will change humans. Some people will grow, some people will fall behind, and the winner. Not AI, not human, but human who understand AI. So the future is not about fighting AI, it's about the deciding what kind of human you want to be in AI world. Comment future if you are ready for it, and comment not ready if this is scary you. Okay, bye bye, take care, subscribe for more, see you in next video.